English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1, limit, skill, quality. Limit. Limit is a noun. B1 learners usually know limit. At B1, a limit is the largest possible amount of something. Here are some examples. There is a limit on the time you can spend on this work. They set a time limit of 30 minutes for the activity. Is there a limit on the amount of money we can spend? Skill. Skill is a noun. B1 learners usually know skill. Skill is the ability to do something well, usually after education or experience. Here are some examples. There is a lot of skill in that. It is difficult work and takes great skill. On the training course, they learned many new skills. Quality. Quality is a noun. B1 learners usually know quality. Quality refers to how good or bad something is when it is compared to similar items. Here are some examples. The quality of his work is poor. What kind of quality or standard are we expecting here? She has many hidden qualities that you do not know about. Now write some of your own sentences with limit, skill, and quality. Download the free B1 workbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.